All right, everybody, this is Freeman again with an episode of What Can Maintenance Do? In the first video, I was showing you guys how we're going to improvise. When problems arise, we improvise. And so we're cutting the 3/4 inch tubing off now. What I failed to mention earlier, you make sure you turn on the water valves, or since this is the hot water side of the water heater, you make sure you turn your hot water valves on, or your valves on in the tub, or mostly in the tub because it uses more water pressure. Then you shut the water off at the shut-off valve. Turn it clockwise, okay, to shut it off. And if this gate valve works, then you listen, I got the valves open right now, so you'll be able to see that here that the water is off. Before you disconnect anything or cut anything, make sure there's no water coming out. If this was still leaking or had water coming through, it would be coming through at the top of the water heater here, okay? This stops it, okay? This valve stops cold water from entering and hot water from coming out. All right, it just pushes what's in there out. That's how it works. So make sure your valve is off. You continue cutting the pipe.